Hi, it's Jackson, and if you're on the market for a 3D printer, here's 5 reasons why I suggest the BambuLab A1 Mini. From your phone, so first you click Bamboo Handy, and then next, since it's Christmas time, we're going to search up Santa. And we're going to print these Santa Claus hats. You click Prepare to Print, and then you click Next. And then when you click Start Print, it sends it directly to the printer and starts printing. And it's just as easy to print from your computer as it is from your phone. So first, you're going to go to multicolor.com. And then you can search for anything you want, but we're going to just search for Santa. And we're going to click this Santa Claus hat right here. And then click A1 Mini, and then click Open in Bamboo Studio. And when you click Open in Bamboo Studio, it opens Bamboo Studio, which is the slicing software for the A1 Mini. And then once it opens, you're going to make sure it's the correct printer. So I have the A1 Mini with the 0.4 nozzle. And then you're going to click Slash Plate. And then you press Print Plate. And then you click Send. It sends it to the printer and starts the print. To show how fast my BambuLab A1 Mini is, we're going to compare it to one of the printers I already own. This is the longer LK5 Pro printing 3D benching. As you can see, it takes 1 hour and 41 minutes. But then if we go to my BambuLab A1 Mini, it only takes 26 minutes and 2 seconds. That's a lot faster than longer. Another cool thing about the BambuLab A1 Mini, if you buy the AMS, which stands for Automatic Material System, you can print up to 4 colors. And now we're going to print this cool picture of Santa, and we'll show you what it looks like when it finishes. Another cool thing about my BambuLab A1 Mini is the easy maintenance. So it's easy to change the nozzle like I'm doing here, and I made a how-to video, so you want to check that out on my channel, you can. And it also auto-levels itself, so you don't have to use the paper like the other printers like the longer LK5 Pro. And the last thing I like about my BambuLab A1 Mini is the affordability. Right now you can get the A1 Mini combo for $349, which is the printer and the AMS. I think that's a really great deal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson now. Everybody listen up, give us your